friends, Teacher Anna here, and this is my daughter Alydia. She's going to help me do the science experiment Milk Magic. It was mailed out to you, so you should get it in the mail pretty soon, hopefully. What you need is a pan, and we poured a thin layer of milk in it. What else do we need?
Soap.
Soap. So I just put a little bit in a measuring cup or medicine cup. What else?
Q-tips.
Q-tips and
Food coloring.
Food coloring. So in our pan of milk, you do drops of the food coloring, all spread around. You're going to do the yellow. Do red. What color are you doing?
Green.
And blue. So what you do is you dip your Q-tips in the soap, and then you touch it to the milk, and you can hold it down. You can count to 15 or 20 or 10, and then if you zoom in, Garrett is 11, he's my cameraman. It makes the food coloring spin around. Here, can I try it? See if it works over here. The food coloring pushes away from the soap. So you could do this a couple times. You could just use red and yellow to make what color? Red and yellow?
Orange.
Orange. Or blue and yellow to make?
Make green.
And then blue and red makes?
Purple.
Purple. What happens if you mix all the colors together?
It turns into brown.
Brown, which the kids like to do that at school, mix all the paint colors together. Well, hopefully you can try this at home and have fun with it. And we'll see you next time we make a video. Say bye.
Bye.